Gemini.
Hey, what's up mga kamits ko? Let's do a video for you mga Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising. Para po sa inyong lahat ito. Para sa October 2025 and it will resonate with you. Anytime you ka mapanood kahit na hindi October, okay? Take what's going to resonate and leave the rest. Ang mga pagdududa. Ang mga bagay na hindi ka raw sigurado. You will continuously show signs, actions, gestures, or even words na punong-puno ng urong-sulong, pag-aalinlangan, whatever information you'll get, messages, or conversations na mangyayari sa'yo sa mga panahong ito, lahat yon ay hindi mo masyadong paniniwalaan, pag-aalinlangan ka, hindi ka sure, maging sa sarili mo. And you're going to have a battle within you. Okay, you're contradicting yourself, your logic, your mind, and even your heart. This can also mean because there's a misunderstanding between you and someone else, or hindi malinaw ang usapan, hindi nagkatotoo yung mga inaasahan mo, or possibility of sibling rivalry or issues between magkakapatid. So it is all meant to happen because your challenge, it looks like these Geminians are experiencing a challenge between good and evil or faith. Bibigyan ka ng chance, opportunity, pagkakataong ma-enlighten based from your actions and gestures, or you will see the results of your doubts and fears. You will have logic or reasoning, but in reality, there's a mystical answer to everything that you're being doubtful. So, especially with partnership or collaborations, you'll start to have an enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng linaw kung sino yung mga taong mananatiling kasama mo ng matagal na panahon or pagkakatiwalaan mo ng malinaw. There are two important people in your life, or you are dealing with someone that's very important in your life, and it looks like some of you are dealing with twins, some of you are dealing with few people, friends or acquaintances, or siblings, relatives, loved ones, or even children. Okay, and you'll notice na magkaiba yung kanilang scenario, magkaiba yung behavior or treatment nila towards you, but you both value them, or pareho mong binibigyan ng importansya ang mga pakikipag-usap mo or interactions with those people. So, the universe is giving you a sign to realize na hindi naman lahat ng tao na pinakikisamahan mo, maski ang pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay mo, are going to treat you bad. You are doing the same pattern of doubts and fears, and humihina ang iyong faith or belief system is really becoming very weak. And you have to meditate and pray and to contemplate and understand the deeper meaning of life, that your logic and your reasoning will not always be the answer to everything around you. You are now maturing and you need to back off. Kailangan mo minsan mag-pause or have a break, or magtago or mag-solo or mag-isa ng 24 hours to realize the value of everything around you. Para hindi mo maging kalaban ang sarili mo. Para hindi mag-umpisa makipagtalo ka just because of your reasoning and logic. So, there will be letting go, separation, and backing off with something for you to experience victory and success. Victory and success to prevent or avoid temptation, or conquering temptations and toxicities in your life. So mag-uumpisa na yung solar return, solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, to start a journey in your life, for a long life actually, pang matagalan, kung paano yumaman or masenso sa buhay, at paano yung totoong essence ng pag-asenso, yung totoong kaligayahan, is to have faithfulness. Faith and faithful. Faith sa Panginoon at faithfulness sa mga taong mahal mo. taong nagtitake ka ng chance or gamble. Para hindi mo tuloy yung ma-experience yung ayaw mo ma-experience na deception. So, looking forward for you to be proud of yourself. Good luck. Good luck, because the crisis is not really outside but within you.